Well, fuck it. Hi, I'm currently on the rooftop of a random Los Angeles hotel and I'm not allowed to be up here and I'm kind of scared and anxious and waiting for someone to come yell at me to get off and kick me out of this hotel. But it's fine, it's for the content. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Mai and last name is Pham and I just turned 18 back in December. I live in Canada. Currently, if you can tell, this is not Canada right now. This is Los Angeles and I have a lot of explaining to do. You're probably like, damn, did I miss the chapter of this girl's life? Yeah, but it's because I didn't publicly post about it, but you know, we're getting it together. We're back to posting 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure to comment something down below because I actually do read every single one of my comments, believe it or not. Before I actually get started on this video, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. I literally would not be able to do whatever I do in my life without you, and I know it's like, oh my god, this bitch is so cheesy, like why is she saying this? Like she's just like every other bitch. She's like, oh my god, I appreciate you so much, but like seriously, like on a real note, I would literally be depressed sitting in my room in my hometown crying myself to sleep every single night while I listen to Black Bear if it wasn't for you supporting me. So thank you so much. But anyways, done with that cheesy stuff. Make sure to comment something down below so that I can like it or like notice you, you know what I mean? Because I want to make sure you feel included and like I literally like I appreciate you so much. Anyways, okay. I just want to explain what I've been doing with my life and what I've been doing for the past like 3 weeks that I haven't been posting. But trust me, we got our life back together kind of, and hopefully you're gonna be here for the journey. I just want to talk about why I moved and what my plans are for the future and what my channel is heading towards, I guess, because I don't ever want it to make it seem like I'm just doing all these big things and make my life seem like so much better than it actually is, because I know a lot of people like move out to LA and then you just kind of feel like a disconnect with them because it just feels like, oh, it's just like they're another YouTuber that doesn't care about the people that support them and they don't appreciate how they even got there, you know what I mean? You know, you just feel a disconnect and I really don't want that to happen, so I just want to explain to you. So I love Canada and I just recently moved here. I literally have been living in a hotel for 2 weeks now and I love it, but I need to find a house and I did find a house, so that apartment hunting video is gonna come February 1st, so be excited for that. But I've been on a wild goose chase trying to figure stuff out. I swear I've looked at like 20 places now, but I finally found one. And so basically I love Canada, I love the people in Canada. So I know in previous videos I said that I'm always gonna have a place in Canada, always gonna have a place there, like I'm never gonna leave Canada. But I noticed myself traveling so much to Los Angeles, and ever since I started coming here, I have created like such a good friend group that I surrounded myself with. And I don't think that you should just move somewhere for somebody, but if you don't know, there's like not a lot of people in this industry in Canada, and I obviously like love doing my own thing and I'm still gonna be doing my own thing. Like I'm not gonna be surrounding myself with a bunch of influencers. And I know you're like, what, that makes no sense, Maya, because all your friends are influencers. Hold on, let me explain. So if you don't know, I came out to LA for the first time when I was 14 alone. Yes, alone. I literally took the bus everywhere and I just explored Los Angeles, because if you don't know my channel already, I'm such an impulsive person and I just want to explore the world, and I've been wanting to do that for so long now. So at a young age, I literally flew out here alone to see what Los Angeles was like because I heard so many things about it, and everyone was saying like, don't move to Los Angeles, the traffic is so bad, like the people that you're gonna meet are so bad, blah 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 blah, like you're not gonna like it, people here are flaky, they're fake, and almost everybody said that, and I was like, shit, like you're right. And I feel like my mind got brainwashed into thinking LA was so bad. It does have a lot of cons, let me tell you that, but I felt like I needed to experience for myself, so I came out here at a pretty young age. And about 2 years ago I flew out here again and I hung out with Daniela. And if you guys don't know who Daniela is, I lived with her for a bit. She's my best friend here in Los Angeles and I love her and I appreciate her so much, and I literally would not be able to move to Los Angeles if it wasn't for her, but that's a whole nother sob story. Anyways, but I met her and we instantly clicked and we've been best friends since, and I just feel like we're so motivated when we're with each other and everything like that. Like with YouTube, it's really hard to stay motivated because you get burnt out so easily and it's like you run out of ideas, and especially when you're alone doing it, it's really hard to stay motivated because everyone else around you is living such a different life, and it's hard to feel like you have this like pressure and push on you when it's literally just you doing your own thing, and like there's no timeline and you don't have people surrounding you that do the same thing as you. So coming out here was so nice because I had Daniela and she motivated me, and we both motivated each other to do YouTube and create create content, and it was so much fun because we love hanging out with each other, and out of that we could get videos out of it too. So I just kept flying back here because I love Daniela and her family, and also I thrive doing YouTube here, and I just noticed myself flying back here every 2 weeks, and obviously that costs a lot of money. A flight is like $400, $500 every single time, sometimes even more, and I like noticed that my mental health started like deteriorating basically because I didn't have a very consistent, stable lifestyle, because I was constantly flying back and forth, and it was like I'm Hannah Montana living a double life, because I go back to Calgary and that's a whole different lifestyle, a whole different friend group, a whole different house, and then I come out to LA and there's a whole different friend group, whole different lifestyle, whole different house, you know what I mean? And going back and forth from that, it's really hard to have a stable, consistent lifestyle. It just wasn't good for me, and I realized like I had to pick one. I can't just be doing both, and I really tried, like I really did try, because like I love Canada, I love my friends in Canada, and I don't want to leave them, but I noticed it was really hard to manage, and I just want you to know that like I really tried my best, and I don't want you to think that I just moved to LA to be an influencer. I'm not just moving to LA because of friends. Like this is more on like the backside of how YouTube works and everything like that, and like brand deals and like all that stuff, but I've literally missed out on so many brands that I've wanted to work with because I'm a Canadian citizen, and you can't work with so many companies because if you're not in the US, and that sucks a lot. And this is my job. I mean, I don't really consider it my job because I have so much fun doing it, but it is a job, and I want to do what's best for me and what's best for my future. And just moving out to the US in general is just the best decision for me now, because I'm growing so much just with my career and everything. I have so many different things that I want to do and different business ventures that I want to do, and I have so many ideas and projects coming out, and I don't want to be that basic bitch that's like, oh, like I have so many projects coming out, like, but I can't tell you, it's like a little secret, but like there are so many things coming out, and I have to be in the US to work on them because I'm working with US companies. So something's coming out in February, like literally so soon, so be tuned for that, and so many more things are coming out this year. I'm just really excited, and I just want you to keep me accountable. Los Angeles is not going to be a permanent thing, and I'm going to say that now because I know it's not. My goal, and I've been wanting to do this for so long, is to just live in so many different countries, and just like it's to just live in different countries in my life, because I feel like that's what I want to do, and I want to experience so many different places. And Los Angeles is just another city that I want to live in for maybe 1 to 2 years and then move on to the next, you know, Italy, Bali, I don't know, so many different places. So I don't want you to think that this is gonna be permanent and that I'm gonna change because of LA and everything like that. If anything, it's just you're coming along with me and seeing me grow and change as a person. Since I am so young, now is like the best time to experience everything and live life to its fullest. And if you don't know me already, that is what basically my slogan is just doing things while you can and not thinking too much in the future and not worrying about the future too much, and just do what makes you happy in the moment. And right now I think LA is what's gonna make me the most happy in this moment. As you know already, my YouTube channel is all over the place, and it's basically you following me, doing impulsive things with my life that I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of filming it and putting it up on the internet and hoping that it goes well. And I think that this is very fitting for me. Anyways, this video was really different for me. It's really awkward. I don't really know what to say, but I can't wait for this movie series to start, and I am posting 3 times a week, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I actually noticed, and make sure to comment something down below if you haven't already. Follow my social medias to keep up with me because I post so much on my story, and I'm always DMing you guys back and stuff like that. So yeah, I moved to LA. This is so crazy, but yeah, until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.